Birds from Head to Tail, written by Stacy Roderick. What bird has a head like this? Can you guess? A great horned owl. This owl is named for the two horns on top of its head, even though they are actually bunches of feathers. Like all owls, the great horned owl can turn its head right around to look directly behind it in both directions. And who might it be searching for? Its prey, animals it eats, which includes mice, rabbits, and sometimes even raccoons. What bird has a beak like this? Look at how long the beak is. A hummingbird. This hummingbird's long, thin beak might look like a straw, but it isn't used for sucking up liquids. The beak is perfectly shaped for reaching into tube-shaped flowers, so the tiny bird can use its long tongue to collect nectar. As well, the lower part of the hummingbird's beak is flexible, which is helpful for snapping up the insects it also eats. What bird has eyes like this? A bald eagle. A bald eagle's eyesight is 6 times more powerful than a human's. It can also see in front and to the side at the same time. This bird of prey, one that hunts for its food, can use its sharp eyesight to focus on its next meal, often a moving target, such as a swimming fish, from hundreds of feet above before swooping down for the catch. What bird has a body like this? A kiwi. A kiwi's pear-shaped body is built for living close to the ground, not up in the air. This flightless bird's wings are so small that they are hard to see, and its bushy, hair-like feathers have markings that help it blend in with the growth on the forest floor where it lives. Most birds have light, hollow bones and a tail to make flying easier, but the kiwi has heavy bones and no tail. What bird has wings like this? An Arctic tern. This mighty flyer is a world champion when it comes to migration, a journey from one home to another. Each year, an Arctic tern flies from the Arctic to the Antarctic and then all the way back again. Its long, narrow wings are perfectly suited for gliding and soaring. When it isn't flapping its wings, it is saving much-needed energy. In fact, a tern is so good at gliding, it can glide in its sleep. What bird has legs like this? A flamingo. A flamingo's stilt-like legs are perfect for wading. Having long legs means the flamingo can go into deep water to find more of the food it eats, such as plant-like algae and tiny brine shrimp. But when a flamingo rests or even sleeps, it often balances atop just one leg. Its joints lock into place to keep one leg tucked, sometimes for hours at a time. What bird has feet like this? A blue-footed bobbie. To impress a female during mating season, a male blue-footed bobbie performs a strutting dance, slowly raising one foot at a time. Both males and females look for a partner with the bluest feet. That's because the birds with the brightest colored feet are the healthiest. What bird has a tail like this? A peacock. When a peacock fans out his colorful tail, it is all about showing off. During mating season, this male bird displays his shimmery feathers with eye markings to attract the attention of a female. Once this season is over, the peacock's long tail feathers fall out, only to grow back again the next year. Awesome job identifying the different parts of a bird.